What's going on, mate? Alright. So, NQ went bullishly yesterday. Check out these gaps over here. I think we may be drawing there, or potentially we could see a move down. I think maybe a move down isn't such a bad idea, but I mean, it really all depends on where price wants to move to. But I think it's gonna keep moving bullishly. We just want to see some bearishment before that. So yeah. So looking for some sort of retracement. And then so yeah, we kind of want to see it taking discounts and then obviously reaching up to premiums. So I kind of put the fib on just as a guide on where to go, but I tend to see these levels get taken out. They're just like little gaps. When it initially made the leg down, like liquidity just tends to be there, like stops and such. So I actually love targeting those, and if it moves higher, I'll go for this because there's a lot there, lots of liquidity still up there, and there is another gap here. So regardless, like if it just pushes up here and reverses, I will be taking stuff off. It all really just depends on what price wants to do today. So yeah, I kind of want to see move a little bit lower and then hopefully some sort of expansion. But yeah, I really want to see him manipulate at 9:30. So we'll see. We will see. It's going to be a short one today. So you can see I'm not usually in a dress shirt, but we will still trade, of course. So I got to be out of here at like 10:20. So it's, bro, this job is literally perfect for this. I mean, it makes it a bit tricky waking up, but like, regardless. So yeah, I'm gonna anticipate this is gonna create a Wednesday high on NQ. Because NQ is stronger, actually. But it's like, when it's that market structure, I feel like it never really wants to go back down. If you can see, like, it never even took this low. So it's like skip, skip, and it just keeps going up. That usually means it's really bullish. Especially with all these wicks right here. But I'm still gonna try and see a move lower. If it doesn't make it, I might try and take a long, just depending, of course, but always got to get the affirmations going. I'm patient with the market. I look for setups, not easy money. I endure losses and learn from them. I don't have grief for missing moves. I'm a profitable trader. I only trade Asia Gold and New York Nasdaq. I only take one trade per session. I have strong psychology. I only trade New York Judas, fair value gaps, and 10 a.m. opens. And that is the day trading routine done for the day. I'm surprised I actually got it done that quick. Boom! New York fucking open. So she's displacing up. I'm not going to do anything until I can see another leg or two, or I don't know. It just looks too fine for me. Like, it just looks like the perfect buy. If that makes sense. And I don't do that. She is driving though, holy fuck. Yeah, I need to take this MA off. It's fucking with me. It's because there's a lot of liquidity above this high. But I don't know. I don't enter until it's like 9:40 just because I don't know the real directional bias for the day. And I'm not just going to enter off something that's already driven up 70 points at the open. Like, it's probably trying to draw you offside. It might not be, but from how this wick reacted, kind of looking like that. Also, the Dow just failed to make a higher high. That's an S&T. So, if we get any bearish movement, I might short this shit, low-key. Just off that S&T. It tells me that, okay, they're manipulating NASDAQ, but they're wanting to drive the Dow down. Which in turn usually means they're wanting to draw a lot of people offside. Unless the Dow breaks this S&T. That's the only reason that I can think of that would make sense. So, I need to start making breakfast, but I can do that while trading. Bro, I feel like I could do, like, not anything while trading, but weirdly, like, a lot of stuff. Go skydiving, just be in the air, just fucking. We'll trade Skeeto. Yeah. I don't know. I don't love this, but like, this is not really ideal. I mean, it seems like it's just like getting a little bit weaker. So, I don't know, bro. Like, if it really wants to come down, I'm gonna short it. Like, I didn't necessarily want to see it do this, though, because my bias is bullish. So it's like, but I mean, it's just not really making much sense, I'm not gonna lie. But sometimes it does in the trading space. I don't know, I heard this thing, and I forget what he said, and it was just like, if you're not sure that it's going to be a winner, don't take it. No, it's making me think, like, in my brain, if I just put it as, okay, if this is not going to hit 100%, then I'm not going to put a position on. And if I long this right now, it's like, it's tricky. It's not going to, like, be 100%. The odds are in their favor, I would say. Like, yeah, sometimes it will just pop up, and it will, like, do exactly what it looks like it's doing. But 9 times out of 10, you gotta be very wary of them manipulating price, especially at the open. I don't know. I'm gonna wait for this area to be probably smacked. Then I'll see what it does. But yeah, these are full out in SMT. For sure. Sure. Why does it do that? I don't know. I would be kind of comfy longing it here just because I feel like it's going to expand regardless. But my risk to reward ratio is just not there. So I'm going to pass. I don't know. NQ just needs to kind of chill out. Bro, like it's just been like expanding way too hard. Like before I take something personally. If I take something. Yeah, like it's gonna take it. They want it. But look at that open. Like, I'll take it, but like, that candle open does not look good. I don't know, price just looks stale to me right now. There we go. So depending on what it does here, like I think, I'll take that position out there. Depending on what it does, if it really just like rifles through it, actually I'm gonna leave it on for now. Just rifles right through it, which I don't think will happen. Then I might look for longs and just be okay with that not fully manipulating. But the thing is Dow hasn't reversed. Actually, yeah, it has. Like, I'm good for right now. I'm gonna leave that. I'm just not loving that PA. I don't know. Looks stretched to me. Let's see what it does at 10. If there's nothing, there's nothing. Like, realistically, I could have taken a long to that high. But then again, I don't really trade opens, and like I said, the risk would just not be there. The risk to reward. It's really bursting through those highs. Oh. Yeah, damn. I truly thought it was going to reverse there. I still could, but it's just expanding. Well, it's definitely going to be an interesting session since that doesn't matter anymore. I didn't realize this made a lower low. Imagine everybody has the same draw, so market just dumps. I could see it. All right. Depending on price what it's doing, I could trade this, but I probably won't since I'm going to work as well. So, I don't know. I'm probably just gonna hop off, check the 10 a.m. open, and I don't know. I'll let you guys know if I do take a trade, but it looks too overdrawn for me. So, stay blessed and safe trading. Don't buy this right now at all.
Is what I would say. Peace, homies.